Do you want to learn how to draw realistic shoes instead of cartoon ones? Then don't miss this video. Hi guys, my name is Mobin, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw realistic shoes in manga instead of cartoon-style shoes with a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, grab your pencils and draw a circle. As always, it doesn't need to be very precise, like this. Next, draw a relatively long trapezoid from the middle of the circle we sketched. Don't worry about being too precise, as it's just a sketch. At this stage, draw a triangle on the left and right sides of the trapezoid we sketched. Keep in mind that the shoes will be on the side of each triangle you draw. In this final step, draw a semicircle in front of the triangle you sketched. Be careful while doing it. Now, you can fit your favorite shoe design onto the basic shapes we've drawn, like this. This is the basic shape of the shoe. Just like how we use a circle as a guide to draw the face, we use this shape to draw the shoe. Don't assume that these shapes are only for the profile view. You can also use them from 3 sides to draw any angle you want, like this. And now from the full face angle. Let me quickly recap the forms we should have used. Just like that. And as always, this is a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw a realistic cat, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.